Legend had it that back in the late 1800s, a Jbird led an injured logger through these woods to a spring located next to this bridge. The magical minerals within the spring cured the logger's leg, this creating the legend of this once thriving community of Jbird Springs. In today's video, I'm at the old Jbird Springs Resort. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Remember to please subscribe and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next adventure. We're going to explore some of the sights of Jbird Springs. These are the old cottages which date back to the 1930s. They are now being occupied by a Christian faith-based rehab and addiction recovery program. I will respect their privacy while we explore. Jbird Springs was founded by T.A. McMillan in the early 1900s. He built this swimming pool not long after he settled here. In the early 1900s, this public pool was possibly the largest in the state of Georgia. This amazing 350-foot water slide most certainly was once the major attraction during the hot Georgia summers. I had read that the spring water filled pool was so cold during the summer that you had to warm up by playing around a miniature golf. Here's the hut that you would grab your putter and your golf ball. I am sure that the rounds of miniature golf played here provided lifelong memories. Let's go and explore the 1930 era wooden floored skating rink. Half of the skating rink is now being used as a sanctuary. And there's an old skate there, one of the old authentic skates. Maybe it was a ghost skater. Here's the other section of the skating rink. Without that partition, there was a lot of flooring to skate on. And here's a lot of the old skates. Look at there. Let's go back outside and do some more exploring. This looks like a swimming suit changing area. There's a few rotted steps, but in just a few moments, I will climb up to the top of this slide tower. Let's step back here and see what's hiding out in the back. I can see a basketball court. And way out in the distance, I can see a ball field, and then there's these storage sheds. Okay, now let's go climb that tower. In the distance, you can see the lodge. There's the skating rink. And can you believe that this place once had a steam miniature train that you could ride? Well, let's go down the quick way. Let's go check out the springs. Located between the miniature golf course and the creek are these ruins. It was out here where I was told the old spring well used to be located. Over in this direction are some remains of some kind of structure. There's an abandoned Jeep. And right in this little dugout area is where I believe the old well for the spring used to be located. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video here at the Jbird Resort, this old abandoned resort. Please subscribe, hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I will see y'all the next time.